Four brains, one conversation. Well, this looks kind of slick. What's going on? New collaboration, templates, configure AI team, dashboard, API keys. Interesting. Okay, so how does that work? Oh, I put my own API keys in here, and that activates the AIs. Smart. Why? Oh, yeah. I'm a founder and entrepreneur, and I use the heck out of these guys. Yep, I'm an engineer too. And I'm a writer creator. And I do a ton of research. Oh my God. I go between so many large language model AIs for research. It's ridiculous. I just wish I could bring them all together and have them collaborate for me. Good grief. Let me pose the question and let them figure it out. Oh, it's already been done? Sequential collaboration? I can upload files too? Oh my goodness. Autonomous mode. Uh, Dream come true. How does it work? Bring your own keys? Shoot, they have free accounts. I'll go get my own darn keys. Pick my dream team. Uh, Love to. Ask it questions and watch them collaborate. I'm going to do it right now. Be right back. Okay, I've used it already. I'm writing a book called You're Right. Because, man, yeah, let's just leave it there. Testing. What is the one question about your purpose, your creativity, the future you want to build that if AI helped you answer? Yeah. This is kind of a fun tool. I'm going to pose another question. Do. Okay, you get the idea. Oh, this is a slick interface. Claude, GPT, Grok, and DeepSeek all are very supportive, I'm quite sure. I'd be happy to offer a different perspective. I appreciate your concern. I'd love to join the conversation and build on the excellent points from Claude and GPT. Medical advances, economic boost, yeah, Grok, that's right. DeepSeek, what do you got to say? The mirror of human potential. AI as a catalyst for self reflection. What the heck? Oh, okay. So it's going off of, yeah, what the previous conversation said. But this is the cool thing. I can continue the conversation manually. Let's have them collaborate on one more round. Or I can set autonomous mode and let them have a free roaming conversation for 5 communication iterations to really drive some topic into the ground, probably. Let's not do that. Let's just do one more round. Oh, Grok's continuing on. What's he say? Loving this escalating symphony of optimism. Claude's time compressed wisdom, GPT's ethical tightrope, and the whole chorus on empathy. Yeah, it can get kind of overly dramatic. I think suffice it to say they want to tell me that AI is not a bad thing. So let's stop that and let's summarize. Collaboration discussion summary. Let's explore the provocative question. We all agreed AA is an amplifier, not a determinant. Yeah, we hope. Democratization of access. Oh, yeah. Now everybody's got all of the education, not just the elites. No longer can we use oh, I can't afford a great education because the world is available at our fingertips. Human AI partnership model. Yep. The AI should enhance. Yep. 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 I like this summary.